morning, I'm Spargo and welcome back to Bits and Pieces Week 2. This week we're going to work with greens. So they are listed on your pack in the order that they are packed. So this is the springleaf, avocado, peridot, blue spruce and robin's egg. So don't forget to put little stickers on all the colors so that when we come back to use some in future weeks, then you'll know which color we're working with. So this week we're doing a four-patch block, and it's pretty simple. We're just going to do a little piecing of a little triangle. So you're going to cut 3 blocks for each block. If you're working with 3 blocks, that'll be 9, or 3 if you're just doing 1 block a week. And we're going to make, what I suggested here was freezer paper templates for A and B. So what I did was I traced A and B, and then I added a 1/4 inch seam allowance around, and just ironed it onto the wool, and now I'm going to peel it off, and these will give you accurate templates. You're going to then just sew this together with a scant 1/4 inch. So remember that you're going to overlap the little points here, and you're going to sew across the center here to get your block, and then you'll have a block like this. And so I used all 5 colors, 1 of each on each block, and I just mixed up, as you can see, the placement of the blocks. You're then going to sew this together as a little 4-patch. So you'll sew it, and then I put the triangle inside like that. So we'll sew these two together, and then straight across here. So remember to press with your little strip stick. I like to use flatter. And another little tip is to just do a little tacking stitch on the machine just across the seam allowances so these do not come undone. So that will keep your blocks nice and square, and you won't have to come back later and start fiddling with the little edges that may come undone. Once you have assembled your blocks, this time I'm just using my little 1/2 inch rulers to mark. So what I did was I marked with 1/4 inch lines, so like this, with my chalk pencil, and I did different things. Here I just did 3 lines. Here I did it within the square, like that. And then here I did multiples. So I'm just looking to find the big stitch to be just a little different in each block so that it makes it a little bit interesting when we put them all together. I also used number 3, Eleganza Easy 36. So I picked, looks like a bluey green that I like to use for this. And I used my 18 chenille needle to stitch that. So pretty simple block this week. Have fun playing with your colors, and yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will be back with some tips next week for block 3. Don't forget to print your pattern off from our website. You go to Block Along, then Bits and Pieces, and then into the weeks or the monthly. It's actually the monthly kit, and then the week PDFs will be in there for you to print off. So this will be week 2's print off. So have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next week.